made and manages key risks involved in running the business. And the goals can be achieved by satisfying the needs of all players involved with the business, including shareholders, customers, and suppliers. Second is the customer perspective. The customer perspective monitors how the entity is providing value to its customers, or the so-called customer satisfaction. And this is an indicator of the company's success. How well a company treats its customers can obviously affect its profitability as well as its market share. The balance scorecard considers the company's reputation versus competitor. So gaining more customers and retaining customers, or gaining customers' loyalty, is one of the main aspects or goal of the customer perspective. Now let's go to the business process perspective. Actually, the business process perspective is an internal process that we need to improve. A business internal process determines how well the entity runs, and a balanced scorecard puts into perspective the measures and objectives that can help the business run more effectively. We mean to say that the internal process improvement is a major part of this business process perspective. Improve the process, particularly what are those processes that we need to improve. In marketing firm, if we are engaged in logistics or delivery, we have to improve the process of delivery system by reducing lead time in from order processing to distribution, as well payment and process of warranty and complaints. Lastly is the learning and growth, or the called employees. Learning and growth, or sometimes they call it organizational capacity, learning and growth, LNG, or people. Learning and growth, this talks about the people inside the organization. What kind of people we do have in our organization. In order to succeed, we need top caliber people to run the organization from the lowest rank to the highest. That each member of the organization should have or focus in one vision in order to achieve the corporate goal or the vision of statement of the company. Learning and growth talks about people. So what are the factors that we need to do in order to improve our employees? Number one is training and development for all employees with regards to company's vision and mission statement. Providing career growth to employees in order to motivate them. So motivation is a part. And of course, developing leadership. Now, if you will look at the chart of the four perspectives, we have the financial, customer, internal process, learning and growth. We have the objectives. Okay, I just want to give an example. Objectives in customer. Customer. What is our objective with regard to customer issues? Our objective is to maintain customers' loyalty and satisfaction. The measure can be done by establishing our key performance indicator in customer perspective. We're measuring it by number of complaints versus the total number of customers. And then target, of course, our target is to zero out complaints. Indicators can be done by having the customer feedback. So this is one of the samples that we have discussed about the improvement of each perspective. The rest will follow. We're going to have the part 2 of this balance scorecard. Thank you very much.